The 2012 Toyota Tundra. Tundra has a number of unique features useful for those using it as a work truck, including extra-large door handles, a deck rail system, and an integrated tow hitch. Included as standard are vehicle stability control, traction control, electronic brake force distribution, anti-lock brakes, and tailgate assist. With a towing capacity of up to 10,000 plus pounds and a payload capacity of over 2,000 pounds, the Tundra is the perfect mix of power and efficiency. This vehicle has less than 4,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, anti-lock braking system, stability control, driver airbag, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel disc brakes, keyless entry, cruise control, four-wheel drive. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.